old lady is. We're here at the Golden Moon Hotel, Casino and Resort here in Philadelphia, Mississippi. And this is the kind of like the bridge elevator. Hey guys, KONE Series 220. And yes, the KONE, no, it's just ThyssenKrupp Tech just went on here. So whenever they are the ones actually maintaining these elevators. ThyssenKrupp guy just got off the elevator. It's funny. It's got a bridge. There's the kid ThyssenKrupp guy that just got off the elevator. Here we are, bridge. Here we are, bridge. Let's go down to 1 because basement's locked, see? So we're going down to 1. Here we're at 1. Let's go back up to the bridge. Notice that 3 screws on the doors. Nice elevator. Here we are, bridge. I know there was one over here. Let's go back down to 1. Series 220. That's a floor indicator. Look at this. That's honestly pretty cool. Projector. But yeah, anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.